Everyone says build credit, but nobody tells you where to start. So here it is, the best beginner credit cards if you want to build wealth, not just swipe and sink into debt. These cards are easy to get approved for, reward you, and help you start playing the long-term money game. Let's get into it. Number 1. Capital One Venture One. No annual fee, earn 1.25x miles on every purchase. Super beginner-friendly approval odds, great for travel hacking and passive rewards. And yes, the link is in the description. The trick here? Use this card only for bills you already pay. Then pay it off in full every month. Now you're building credit without building debt. Number 2. Chase Freedom Unlimited. 1.5% cashback on everything bonus categories like gas, dining, and drugstores. Often gives a $200 welcome bonus when you hit a low spend threshold. Chase is a long-term lender. You want to get in early with them. Use it like this. Groceries? Use it gas? Use it impulse buys? Skip it. Your goal isn't to spend more. It's to get rewarded for what you already spend. Links also in the description. 3. Capital One Venture X. This one's for when you're ready to level up. $395 annual fee, but $300 travel credit, plus 10,000 bonus miles every year. It pays for itself. Free lounge access at airports. Perfect for entrepreneurs, digital nomads, and anyone who wants a premium card that makes sense. This card is power, but don't rush it. Start with the first two. Build your credit profile. Then step up once your income and score grow. Links below too. Here's the key to building wealth with credit cards. Never carry a balance. Never spend money you wouldn't already spend. Always track your due dates. Use the rewards to buy time, freedom, or reinvestment. You're not just building credit. You're building trust with lenders and eventually leverage. That's how you stop surviving and start scaling. Learn hustle. Grow. This is Mind on Millions. And this is how smart people use credit in 2025.